If you don't have the eject tool in order to eject the SIM tray from your iPhone 17e, let me share with you some tips on what you can use, what household items can be good to use in order to eject the SIM tray from the phone. So you are looking for something thin enough, straight enough and sturdy enough so that it fits into this SIM tray hole that we have on the left side of the phone. Of course, it has to be sturdy because if you apply a little bit of pressure, the tool that you are going to use should not break, because of course you don't really want to do that when you try to insert something over here. And it should be straight because of course if you bend it, then you might have trouble with ejecting the tool, the SIM tray, that is. So what is the best alternative? You can use a paper clip. You can unfold a small paper clip, so one end is straight, and then you just put it gently, insert it gently into the SIM tray eject hole, and then press until the SIM tray slightly pops out. You can also use an earring post, like if you use a plain metal stud earring, then it might work as well if it's tiny enough. Make sure it is clean and straight, and then of course insert and press it gently. A sewing needle or pin might work as well because they are usually thin as well, so you want to hold it steady and press straight in. Once again, avoid angled pressing or something like that. And also, for example, a mechanical pencil tip might be working as well. It might work too. However, only works if the mechanical pencil tip actually fits into this hole. Some mechanical pencil tips might be slightly too big, so you might want to check. If you already have, of course, a mechanical pencil tip, then of course you want to give it a try, see if it fits. However, you want to be really careful with it because plastic tips can break. So if you have a plastic tip, then of course be careful, it might break. Now, if you are wondering what you should not use, and in this case the answer is also pretty simple. Anything wooden, for example, anything that can break off easily. So for example, a toothpick or wooden stick. Generally speaking, you don't want to use these tools you don't want to put them into the SIM tray hole. Safety pins with rounded ends will not fit. Screws or nails, you should avoid them. Anything thick or blunt. And once you find something that is of course tiny enough so that it fits and sturdy enough, you just want to put it into that hole over here and then apply a little bit of pressure. Just push it into the phone with a little bit of force, and then the SIM tray should pop out. Then of course you can remove it with your fingernails or fingers pretty easily. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.